Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you that today's video is going mainly for singers, that how you can just separate the vocal and the music tone from a video or music. So let's start. So first refresh your computer and open Google Chrome. So here the website I'm showing you is Vocal Remover. Just type your Vocal Remover. And this website, https://vocalremover.org. So this one, so here is vocal remover. So just browse my files and I'm going to select all files so that all files will be shown here. So just this one, since it's a poetry, you can also do this, all types of things. So it's uploading. Just wait now. Okay, so now it's 100%. So it's loading. So is audio processing means separating those things. So artificial intelligence algorithm now works. It may take a minute. Please keep this page open. And load. Okay, so now everything is separated. So you can just turn the volume up and down and download it, means save. So first, it's music one. So if you turn on the music and you can listen the only music, no vocal will be there. So let's listen. So it's no sound. And if you turn this off and this one, oh, no music. But if you turn on this, look now music. So like this, you can separate. So if I just took the vocal and save, then only the vocal file will be saved. And if you turn this volume off and music only, then only the music will download. So I'm just downloading the vocal, save. So now only vocal or music. So vocal one. So download it very fast. So let's go and listen to it. It's just here. Vocals. Only vocals. Let's listen to it. So first it was music. Look, so there is no music. Sorry, so it's this. You can just separate the vocal and music from it. Thanks for watching.